Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video. It's been a while since I posted. That was because I just wanted to observe the market. The market actually did respect my my analysis though, but because of one psychological error or the other, I wasn't able to capitalize on that trade, and I will be honest, I lost a significant portion of my account, but then I'm recovering it back slowly because last week was a lesson. That's one thing you guys should note, that in every loss you should always see a lesson in it. So I saw it like a stepping stone that could improve my trading approach and how I approach the market to trade. So what I observed that what I observed from last week, you go to the weekly time frame. Let me explain what happened. Let me take all this off, take everything off, take out the positions. You can see I'm on some positions currently, but that's not what I want to explain to you. What I want to explain to you is what happened last week. So what happened last week, I was anticipating buys, but because the overall trend of this market was telling me sales, and I saw a potential for evening star to be formed on the monthly time frame, which it invalidated, showing me that this level 15k, around this level, is a strong level, and you can see like a small potential double bottom. So what are we expecting from this market? We are expecting that this market will trade all the way at least up to this level before you can see some bulls. That's if the market wants to decide to go lower, but if the market wants to keep climbing, we'll just see break retests. We'll see something like this. We'll just keep seeing higher highs and higher lows forming as the market keep correcting to the upside. But however, that is not the case. What I observed from last week was that I noticed that Deriv normally does like pullbacks. So what I observed, like last week candle, we did the Fibonacci, we pulled back from swing high to swing low, and we reached the 50% Fibonacci level. So that normally takes place from like Sunday is the open of the weekly candle to like Wednesday, Thursday ish. So now that I've gotten that information, I now know how to approach this market coming this week. So what I'm going to do is just move my Fibonacci to this level just like that, and I'm expecting price to come into the 50% at least. If he wants to go further down, it can go down to the 61%, and you can see it aligns smoothly with the current candle which is forming. That means it's not even breaking any highs. And if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see, let me go back and adjust that, 50 and 60%, 50-60%, and that is 50%, just like that. Okay, now let me take this over. You can see how that this Fibonacci helps, and it aligns with structure as well. You can see we are expecting market to come down into this level, but since this is a rejection, how will I say, this is a correction phase, it will not just go straight down. To take its time. You can see this is today Sunday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we can see some chart pattern, and we can see price just slowly going up just like this, and then push to the upside. So all along all these buys, I was just trying to short the market, and eventually it was going so not so good for my account. So, but it's a lesson I've learned, and now God bless so much. I have been able to discover like some even scalping strategies to grow small accounts. So if you want to know about how to scalp and grow your small account on like $50, $100, you can just comment in the comment section, and then I will do well to upload a video concerning that topic, and to better enlighten you on how to grow your small account and take it to um, 1,000 and 2,000. Yeah. So what I'm observing now, I've seen that price has been going bullish, strongly bullish, and I've been seeing higher and higher lows. But at this point, I was targeting, this is 24k. 24k was hit due to my previous video analysis. 24k was hit. So now what are we experiencing? We're experiencing a pullback, because what have we seen here? You have successfully broken above these highs, and what do we observe when market breaks above a high? It normally come back down for a pullback. And where are we expecting that pullback? We're expecting that pullback for ICT traders. We're expecting that pullback somewhere around this other block, so somewhere around 22,500. If I start plotting my psychological levels, you'll find out that 22,500 is just around this level. Let me just plot that out for you guys, so you guys can see and confirm, so you know where to start taking your buys from. But for now, we are going to be selling for the quite the coming few days that we are entering the new week. So you can see 22,500 is a potential target for price to come into, testing these highs above here, which is broke. Though you can decide to test one of these highs, but this is where we have found that it's likely going to come in and retest. Why did I say so? Because you have seen this rejection candle from 24,000, and price is likely going to come into here, and then in the weekly you see that is not even close. It's just coming to 24,500, coming into this previous candle weeks, and probably a little bit into the body, because we have seen double bottom, series of higher highs and higher lows. So for this double bottom, what have we the rule of trading double bottom is we measure from the potential bottom to the neckline, and then we just match it up like that. So we are expecting price to come into this level before we can see probably like a monthly candlestick pullback. So we are expecting for the further months or the year 2025 to be quite bullish. But however, we should keep in mind that this is a downtrend. But however, if price successfully gives us the confirmation that we are seeking to hit higher, we are just going to take the trade just like that. So for this low bottom, the final target is going to be around here. That is around 25,500. So but for now, we are not focused on that yet. We are just trying to know the direction of the trend, because if we know the direction of the trend, we can trade more precisely. Yeah, and the only thing you need to bother about is just your entries and everything. So now what am I going to do? I'm just going to plot my levels from the previous candlestick, weekly candlestick. So this will have 21,500 up to when the previous candlestick stop, and then maybe above a bit. So 21,500 normally put on the daily, but I just use this for reference. So you can see that is the bottom of the previous week candle. We saw it gave us a clean double bottom, and what do we expect double bottom to do? To come retest the neckline and then go up just like that. So this sell is quite valid. It's quite valid for us to take. So if you see any sell setups, the sell setups will always be printing every day till probably Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you start looking for buy setups. Any sales positions holding between Wednesday and Thursday should be closed out, in my opinion. But if price just decide to just tank and break below this level, 21,500, you should just watch out and see if you have a pullback, and then you can have massive sales. But if that's not the case, if this price holds, we should expect price to go up smoothly just like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and plot my psychological levels and show you my points of interest. Just giving you, this is just a video. This is not like a signal kind of thing. This is just giving you my opinion on where price will likely head to and where price will likely not head to. So don't reach your own capital and come blame me and say, oh, I took your signals and it didn't work out. I'm also a human being as well. I can get it wrong, I can get it right. So we should just keep that in mind as we continue plotting the psychological levels and seeing where you can potentially take our setup from. So what am I? As I said, price hit 24k. So 24k is just there, smooth just like that. So we have 23,500, which price is currently stubborn, which is quite holding price. It's stubbornly holding price, a stubborn support level that doesn't want to be broken. But however, I know it's still going to be broken at the end. So now we're just going to adjust and go down to the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we have quite a good trend. So you can plot our trend levels, our trend channels, and we'll see. Oh shit, oh I didn't click on the trend. Okay, you can plot our trend channels. You can plot our trend channels just like this. So you can see price going from this level. No. So what are we expecting? We're expecting price to come into that level. So we plot it just like this. I think this should be a good level. Yeah, just like that. And then we have another level somewhere about there. Yeah, I think this is right. So as I told you, these trend channels are relative, so this is how I plot them. So you can see the trend channel aligns smoothly just at my area of interest, which is 22,500. Let me go, it's the box. So this level, I'm expecting price to come into this level. You can see it aligns smoothly with the trend channels. So yeah, that's what I have for price for today. So we're just going to expect price to just keep dropping slowly but not aggressively, because it's a pullback. So slowly dropping, pullbacks, you know, pullbacks. And then if you measure this neckline of this double top from this start of this the top to the neckline, you can see the next potential target also aligns to 22,500. So that is it for today, guys. And you can see on the 1 hour time frame, we are going we are creating series of higher highs and higher lows. So now price is just stuck in between this region, 23,500 and 24,000. So we are expecting a drop into this box. So that is all for today, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll try to upload videos weekly to show you the weekly directional bias. I'll try not to upload too much because I want it to be more of quality instead of quantity. So this is the first video for this week. So at the end of this week, probably Saturday, we'll come and tell you about the trades I took and the positions I took, and if the analysis went according to this video. So thank you guys for watching and ever growing the channel. I appreciate your support and your likes. I see the comments, I see everyone supporting and sharing the links. I really appreciate, guys. So let's keep the channel growing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Ciao.